So the third question is to solve the inequality 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. So first what we will do? We will take the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Just change the inequality to equality. Again we have to draw the graph for this equation, and the graph will be a straight line because it's a linear equation. How it become linear? The degree of means the power of x and y is 1. So x, y. Okay, since by seeing the equation itself we are very sure that it will not be a simple one. Okay, so what we will do is we will just take 2 points which satisfies this equation and we will draw the line. So first of all I am going to give x value as 0 and corresponding y value we will calculate from the equation. And the second point how I will find is I will give the y value as 0 and calculate the corresponding x value. So I am taking the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Okay, when x takes the value 0, 3x will be 0, 0 plus 4y will be 12 and y will be 12 by 4 which gives you 3. So we are getting the first point 0, 3. Okay, again take this equation 3x plus 4y equal to 12. For taking that second point what we did is we took the y coordinate as 0, y value as 0, isn't it? So here instead of y put as 0. So 4y becomes 0 when y equal to 0. So we are getting 3x plus 0 is equal to 12. That means 3x equal to 12 and x is equal to 12 by 3 which gives you 4. So the second point is 4, 0. First point is 0, 3 and second point is 4, 0. What makes the difference? 0, 3 is a point which lies on the y-axis and 4, 0 is a point which lies on the x-axis. Otherwise we will check. The first point is 0, 3. So mark 0 here. So that 3 will be on the y-axis. So we have to mark here 0, 3. Okay, the second point we got is 4, 0. 4 will be on the x-axis and corresponding y-coordinate which is 0 is the line, isn't it? So 4, 0 is a point on the x-axis. Okay, again what we have to do, we have to join these 2 points. So I joined the point and I got a line. So I will write the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. That is the equation of the line which we drew. Again what we have to do, we have to check where the solution lies. Either it will be towards the upper portion, otherwise the solution will be towards the down portion. To check that, what again we will do, we will take the inequality 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Instead of x and y, we will substitute 0. So 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 12. That is 0 less than or equal to 12. And we are sure that 0 is a value which is less than 12. So the inequality holds, isn't it? If the inequality holds, what we will do? We will check where 0, 0 lies. And if as the inequality holds, the solution will be the portion where 0, 0 lies. So 0, 0 lies in the down portion. Okay, so the solution as the inequality satisfies, the solution is to the downside of the line. You have to shade it. You can do the marking like this also. Okay, that will be little more better to see. You can mark it. The marking is just to show the solution at the first side. So just to shade it or do as given in your textbook. Okay, so this is a solution for the given inequality.